Hey guys, it's Deanna Maurice. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with y'all the unboxing of our second Glowforge. So Clay is laying here to show y'all how big the Glowforge actually is. When we got our first one, I was shocked with how large it actually is in person. And we did get our desk from IKEA. This is the Lenman top, and then these legs here, I'm not sure what they're called, but I'll find and put in the description box below. Our second table we actually got from a store that was closing, which is really nice and sturdy. I love that table. I wish we had purchased two at the time, but we didn't know that we were going to need a second Glowforge that quickly. And here we're removing the plastic things that they put on the box to keep it secure and in place. This box, y'all, is very sturdy. They packaged the machine very well. I would be shocked to see if any of them came damaged because they do a lot. So if you guys are interested in getting your own Glowforge, you can save up to $500 by using my link. It'll be down in the description box below. And you know, my family and I would really appreciate it if you would consider using our link. Guys, remember to keep your Glowforge box because it will cost $250 to replace it if ever you need a new one to send it back for repairs. And obviously, if you're ever moving your Glowforge around, I would recommend moving it around in this box with all of like the padding and everything like that to keep it nice and secure.
First of all, YouTube, gotta follow me. I'm the boss. Anyways, Aaron.
So Mundo is the one that typically cleans the machines and assembles them. So he's saying that wherever you see orange, you need to take that off. And then here you have the different compartments that come in the machine. This video is not a tutorial exactly of how to put it together, but we did want to show you how simple it is to assemble and get started. The great thing about the Glowforge that I see in comparison to some of the other laser machines out there on the market, this one has a camera at the top of the machine. So every time you close the lid, whatever project you're working on, you can see exactly what's inside on the bed and basically layer up your design directly onto the material that you're working from, which I think is super cool, especially if this is going to be your first laser machine. It definitely promotes user friendliness. So here we're attaching the laser head to the rest of the machine. And guys, I just want to say I am so grateful. Sometimes we just need to believe that certain things can happen for us. When Mona and I first saw this machine a few years back, we just really wanted one. We didn't know how we were going to get it, but we are so grateful that we went ahead and got it because it definitely propelled our business to the next level. And now in less than a year, we have a second one. The first one that we got was the Pro, and that has the pass-through slot, and this one is the Plus. This is the crumb tray, and so your crumb tray and some of your other supplies will come in a separate box. You will get everything that you need to get started. Glowforge also gives you free materials, which is really nice because then you don't have to spend extra money to get it started. It's not a ton of material, but it's enough to get you started and kind of, you know, mess around with the machine. And obviously every machine that has its own program takes a little bit of time to get used to. But one thing that I'm very appreciative of for Glowforge, they are ever evolving and always trying to make it more user friendly than it already is. And you can use so many different programs to design and create for Glowforge. There's just endless possibilities with Glowforge, and I'm telling you guys, if you guys want one, go ahead and get it. Do not hesitate. Make the investment for yourself and your future. Currently, this is how we have our Glowforges set up. I will be doing a video sharing with y'all how we have everything organized and the different things that we've put in place to allow our business to run efficiently from home. So if y'all are interested, let me know down in the comments below that you guys are. And here, the next clip, I'm going to show y'all the machine in action. Lastly, I want to share with y'all some of the items that we've made on our Glowforge. This is a mirrored acrylic and clear acrylic ornament that we had this past year. I absolutely love it. I think it's so beautiful and elegant. Here next, we have one of our silicone apple bands that's been engraved with a name and monogram. Super popular. Love these. Cool gifts. And lastly, these are our tiered tray designs, and as you guys can see, you see wood, you see acrylic. Glowforge cuts so many different mediums, so definitely go ahead and check it out. Once again, our link for our coupon code will be down in the description box. Please go ahead and use it if you feel inclined to do so. My family and I would really appreciate it because we do get a kickback if you decide to use our code when purchasing your own personal Glowforge. Until next time, guys, stay blessed and beautiful. Bye.